the monster, cause nobody wants to see Marshall no more than one shady, I'm chopped liver. Well, if you want shady, this is what I'll give you. A little bit of weed mixed with some hard liquor, some vodka that'll jumpstart my heart quicker than a shock when I get shocked at the hospital by the doctor when I'm not cooperating, when I'm rocking the table while he's operating. Waited this long, don't stop debating, cause I'm back, I'm on the rag and ovulating. I know that you got a job that's changing, but your husband's heart problem's complicating. So the FCC won't let me be, or let me be me, so let me see. They try to shut me down on MTV, but it feels so empty without me. So come on, dip, foam on your lips, jump back, jiggle your hips and wiggle a bit and get ready.